everyone. I'm going to help you through this last step. You've already downloaded your Bluebeam app onto your computer. Taking a little while. Then you found that app, clicked on the launcher, installed it, went through the process of getting Bluebeam installed. You might have to fill in some information or something about yourself. Don't worry, you're not going to get bombarded by a bunch of emails. If when you load it, it happens to ask you for an access code or something, it should also ask you if you want to just use the 30-day trial. Until I issue you that access code, just use the 30-day trial. It's exactly the same. It just runs, the clock runs out at 30 days. Okay, so you've already done that, and you're in your assignments. I'm in modules assignments, okay? And you'll see that there's your assignment, download, install Bluebeam Review, preparing to read plans. You've done that, but to finish, I want you to turn in a picture or a snippet or a screenshot of what you've done. So let's show you first. This title block is a PDF document that I've installed as an attachment. You can click on it, and when you do, it'll show you what it looks like, and it's just basically an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper with a title block so that you can type information later on, be turning in your assignments. There's our class, some graph papers, so if you want to do some sketching or whatever, you can too. Alright, so now we have that. We've downloaded it. Right here, this is where you access to download. You've clicked on it, you see the file, click on it to download it, and I've created a folder. So this is my computer. Go to my desktop, and I created this folder, Fall Semester 2022. You can create a folder if you want, however way you manage your files. I just put it in one folder so it's easy to find. And then here I've already downloaded it, but I'll just see, so it renamed it. I'll click on that file and it says, it already exists. Do you want to replace it? Sure, why not? So it's just going to write over that file. It's the same file, so this way I don't have two versions of the same thing. So it's done. Now I will go to my desktop, and as you can see, there's Bluebeam right there. I launch Bluebeam. Bluebeam is running. Let me move it over. There it is. Now this is just a blank Bluebeam, so you can go to File and just say Open. Now it basically went to your most recent location where files have been saved or found or whatever. So if you're always accessing stuff in your Bluebeam through this fall semester folder that you created, when you open it up again, you'll go right to it. Otherwise, just remember where you located it. I know the file is on my desktop, on my fall semester 22 folder, and there it is. I click on it, and boom, it opens it up. Okay, a couple things I want to show you on using this app real quick. You see it's got that hand. Let's check something. I make sure you see me. Okay. You should see me. Okay. If not, this mouse, if you can't see it, it's just a mouse with a roller ball on it. Or this wheel. You see this little wheel here, the little spin wheel? Either way, a mouse with the wheel or a ball, both work well. Now, down here at the bottom of the page, you can see that it's got the hand highlighted, or the cursor, or the zoom tool. Okay, so we click on the hand, which is automatically. But see, when I click my left and click and hold my left mouse button, see, the cursor changed from an open hand to a closed hand. It's like it's grabbing the page. And now if you click and hold and you move your roller ball or you move your mouse, see, you can, they call it pan. You can pan the sheet and move, okay? Or you can like double click and hold, and then this little blue plus and minus sign shows up, and then I just move the roller ball or the wheel, and I can zoom in and out, and when I let go it stops zooming. So I can zoom to where I want, move the page, zoom in some more, you see? Okay, so you're almost done. Now we're just going to do a snapshot, and I'll show you how to upload your assignment. The snippet tool. All your computers have the snippet tool built in. Okay, so if you're using a Microsoft, it's on my page, but if you don't have it, it's on my where I have it for quick access. But if you don't, just find your computer's search location, like clicking on the Windows button. See, type here for a search. I just click the Windows button. I want you to see it. So I'll click the Windows button. See that it came up. There's a little window for search. I can just type the word snippet, and then the snippet tool app comes up. I can click it and it'll run the app, or I can right click it. So right now it's unpinned from the taskbar. Right click again, pin to the taskbar. So down at the bottom of your page is the taskbar. Go ahead and pin it to your taskbar so it's readily available. You're going to be using the snippet tool quite a bit when you use Bluebeam. Okay, so now that we've got the snippet tool there, I can run the app, and as you can see, we're looking at Bluebeam, and you've downloaded and opened that PDF file for your title block. There it is. You can do things like save it and write on stuff, but I'll show you that later. Now that's done. See, there's my snippet tool down at the bottom, ready for access. When I do that and I click on it, oh, can you believe it? We were looking at a snippet. My bad. All right, so I click on the snippet tool, all right, and this pops up. Click on new. As you click on new, it gives you a lasso, a little to be able to draw a box. So you just click and hold your left mouse button from one corner of the page, and it started out of the screen, but I just clicked a little bit out of the screen, but I was just trying to capture the full view of the Bluebeam. Boom, and it just took a picture. Okay, so as you can see, now there's a picture there, and I'll bring this back in. See, there's the snippet. And here's the tool. You can do stuff. So let's save it. And I'm going to show you a format. Put your name, underscore, and then write Bluebeam. And underscore, and we can say fall 22. Okay, so if you have your name on there, then it's easy for me to identify, and then for you can know what assignment it is. And if you use that format, you'll find that it's pretty handy. Okay, so now it just saved the folder. The snippet tool is still open. I can close it now, make it go away. We're looking at Bluebeam. We're done with Bluebeam. We've taken our screenshot, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. It may ask me to save any changes. And so now I'm going to go find that folder, right? There's the fall semester folder that I created, but I'm going to go into it through the File Explorer. And it's showing my desktop. Let's see, is it? Desktop. Fall semester. So name, screenshot. So I've done it a couple of times. Okay, so name Bluebeam Fall 22. Okay, click on it. There you go. So that's and it brings it back up. Okay, so what you're going to do now, I just showed you where it was. Okay, and so I'm going to close that, not saving it. Okay, so now we know where it is. I didn't really need to do that step. I'll go back to, now we're in our assignments, right? And we've downloaded that. So I'll click the back arrow. And I'm back at my assignments, and here's the download Bluebeam assignment that you've been working on. And you can see there'll be a second video. I haven't posted the video yet. But on your assignment, on your page, you'll see the button that says Start Assignment. You click on Start Assignment, and then you can do text entry right here. You see, you got these tabs: Studio, which you're not doing, or File Upload. So you can use that. Just do Upload File. Choose the file. And there it is, it posted it. And then here, just say, hi, Professor. Please find the attached completed assignment. And then it should be done, and then boom, you hit submit. And boom, congratulations, it's done. You've completed your homework. So that's it. If you got any questions, you can reach out to me through email, or you can make a post in the inbox,